Well, my name is Matt Wild. I run about 3,000 acres up around the Shovelin-Bemidji area. We've got involved as a family farm with MVI. We had 2 irrigators have a little mishap with them.
A storm had went through and knocked down their pivot. I told them I'd be there the next morning, and I took off bright and early and was there, assessed the damages.
In a week, we had that thing back up and running.
Since we are insurance provider and adjuster, we knew what we needed, knew what to do, and we had a new pivot up and running already.
They're the adjuster, they deal in all the product, they know the ins and outs of everything. Very good experience with them.
It's a good option for customers because we understand pivots. When you're a farmer or a producer, you really want to get your pivot up running right away because it's costing you to yield when you can't use it.
Minnesota Valley Irrigation is an insurance provider for all of our ag farmers out there. We sell diversified financial insurance. It is a full replacement coverage insurance. We're also the adjusters for it. Our people know irrigation equipment. Most of these claims happen in the summertime when these guys need to get up and going again. So it's a very fast response time. So we come in, do the insurance appraisal on it, turn it around to the company, and we're fixing it probably within 24 to 36 hours max.